It's Christine doing a review for the Ninja blender and food processor. I like this product because it allows you to blend and crush and mix ingredients and food easily. I like that this product allows you to crush ice as well. It comes with a blender but also a food processor and 2 cups for if you need to process smaller quantity of items or to make individual drinks. A food processor comes with 2 blades, one for chopping and one for mixing dough. I like that the pieces are easy to keep clean and they are dishwasher safe parts. To attach, you just simply twist and click into place. For the lids, make sure you align the arrows so you can easily open and close the lids. I like that the blade is removable so there's easy cleanup. I find it helpful that the blender has 2 different measurements on 2 different sides. I like that the cups have also a travel lid that you can twist on and off, and an easy twist blade just like this. Here I'm going to demonstrate a berry yogurt smoothie. I like that there's a max fill line so you know how much to put. Once you plug in your unit, you can toggle the power on and off with a button. Here you can see how easily you can make purees, drinks and smoothies and soups, even baby food. Simply lock it in place and then just press the button. I like that it blends very quickly. Let me show you the texture of my smoothie. And look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Now you simply just twist on the travel lid and you're done. I would recommend this blender and food processor.